Enjoy the ultimate comfort and convenience on the road with GE Profile water heaters. You'll never have to sacrifice having hot water while exploring the great outdoors. The GE Profile RV tank water heater comes in both a 6 and 10 gallon options. You can operate with both gas and electric independently or simultaneously for maximum performance. Recovery time is quick with a powerful 10K BTU gas input burner and a 1,440 watt electrical element. You can upgrade easily from a 6 gallon water heater to a 10 gallon water heater because the door openings are the same, fitting the industry standard cutout size. A unique feature about this water heater is the durable door design. The water heater doors come in both black and white and are sold separately. These water heaters are easy to install and maintain and include a 2-year transferable warranty. From washing dishes to taking a refreshing shower after a long day of adventure, GE Profile water heaters will deliver consistent hot water, making your RV feel like home. For more information on this and all of our RV-ready appliances, please visit our website.